Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be playing a game that I haven't played before. It's called Slaying Simulator. So I think my friend's in this game. Yeah. He's right over there. There he is. I'm going to go over to chat with him. Oh, he runs really fast. How is he running that fast? No, come back. Come back. Oh, he's got golden pets. Come back. Hey, where are you going? Why are you running?
That's okay. I kind of figured it didn't really come off, so I made a personal back.
He said, are you on Xbox as well? And yes, I do have Xbox. No. Enter. No. Oh, he put a sad face. No. Okay. He's probably gonna follow me. Die. Why is the overload over there? Okay, yes, and I have played this game before. So, die. Oh, he got glowing pets. They are golden. Oh, they're golden? What? Yeah, legendary. Oh, he got a rare. I think that might be what. No, it's. Oh, that. I can't purchase it. Yeah, so here's one shot at every assassin. Something more right in front of my face. I need to get a pen. Oh yeah, he's probably gonna get every assassin away from me. I don't know who one-shots him. No! Yes, he's gonna let me get the gems. I'll one-shot this. No, he's going away! No! Oh yeah, he needs 50,000 gems. Oh, I think he killed the overlord. Oh, level 2. Let's get that next sword. Let's go climb up. Okay, now this will help me kill these assassins much faster. Okay, I almost have enough to afford a pet. I need 50, I think. But yes, I have enough to get a pet. And these pets, I gotta find the comments from this before. Is there any game passes I can buy? Cause I know I spent a lot. Iron skin. Oh, he bought extra speed. Just one. Yes! This one's actually really good. Like for me right now. So it's two. For me, it's like really good right now, so. Now I got my pet. I should be able to. I won't be able to kill these faster, but I will get more gems. I'll get like 15. So once I get to equip 2 pets, it'll be insane. Cause like, what if I get another bunny? No! Don't take my gems. Wait, there's the is that the aqua egg over there? Yeah, and there's this new 6 mil egg. Oh, icy egg. How much is this? $1,500. Okay. I think after killing one more assassin, it'll be level 3. I will have enough gems to buy another pet. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Okay, so now I'm gonna get... Yay, now I'm gonna get this. Is he still in the game? Yes, he is. What was he? Level 17. 200 kills and so many gems. And I'm gonna get XP a lot faster with my 2 bunnies. And I think I'm gonna get 30 gems per kill. Touch me. Yay! Or like 25 gems per kill. And I'm already at level 3. I think I get levels instantly. Okay, I don't even have to work. This is insane. The same sword you have. Ha. 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 That. Legendary? What? I don't want to open one. So, I'm kidding. Okay. I don't know if that's good. So, like, I'm already farther than I was on my other account. Well, that's good. Should I try to save up for a new thing now? Yeah, I'm going to go save up. Because I get... Oh, I already have enough for another one. Should I just get 4? I don't know. I'm going to save up. Yeah, because then once I get that 250 egg, I'm going to get that pet. So that will be good. And I could save up for this 1,000. But it's like, legendary, legendary. No, uncommon. Come on. Yes, level 5. Where am I going? Oh, Oracle Blade. There we go. Yay. And I think I can 2-hit these guys. No, I almost 1-hit them. So yay, now it's going to be a lot easier to grind. Wait, where's your legendary one? I don't think he has one. Oh, it's mine! He has one. I think he has the level 5 sword. And, oh, 5 more gems. I'm not saving up for that. I think I'm... It's this one. What did I get? Oh, rare mouse. Let's go. The rare one. Oh, let's go. Okay, now I have all 4 pets equipped. I have the 6 mil egg. There's the golden egg. Those pets must be really good. I'm not sure how much gems am I gonna get. Oh, let's go. Should I? Oh wait, should I buy an aura? Can I buy an aura? I can't. But I'm almost level 5. Come on. Okay, So, let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! Yes, so 5. And I already have enough for. Let's go down. Oh, wait, I need 6? Oh, what? Okay. Check it out. Can't get the work blade yet. He's like, yeah, you have 4 pencil flip.
Where's Brandon at?
Right here.
Who you playing with?
Okay, gonna come back. I'm gonna equip my kitty. Yeah, I'm gonna equip my kitty. Now it's my bear equip. My bear. These are one shot now. Oh, look at the oval. It's just like right there. Wait, what sword does he show? He's the fire warrior. Oh, he's gonna kill it. No, he died. He oofed. I'm gonna save a. Ooh. I think I save it for an icy pet. No, well, I'm gonna save it for a glowing pet. Is the glowing egg in here? Let's see, that's 15,000. Wait, the what is that? Oh, I didn't, sorry. How much is super speed? Oh, it's running that roadhouse. I bought it. Okay, buy extra speed. I go a little bit faster. I don't think that did much. Yeah, this actually helps a lot. I'm getting way more gems now. Yeah, I'm gonna get a glowing pet super fast now. Those glowing pets might be good. I'm level 6 and get a new sword. Actually, I'm gonna kill this guy. And now, quick. Can I one-shot these? Yes! I can finally. I can one-shot. Just be like, bop, give me your gems. Da-da-da-da, bop. And then one-shot it. Oh, yes! Assassins, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 5. 5 complete. Go to level 7 and I'm gonna one-shot you. Yes, I got 1,000 gems. Yay. I'm caught. Oh, he hasn't taken chat yet. Okay, where's the server? I'm gonna buy a glowing bit so I still have more. Can I buy a sword for level 7? No. Oh, look at that bat blade. Well, we'll see again. So, heal 18. What sword is level 18? And the man burning. Oh, that sounds good. So I'm gonna buy this glowing egg. Ooh, come on. What's it gonna be? Oh, pick. Come on. Can I buy another one? No, I can't. Yeah, but how good is it?